Yo, what's up guys? This is James with the Impossible channel, and we are looking at some chemtrails done here in South America next to the coastline to avoid this big storm that was coming. Here I'm going to show you a FEMA warning to New York City, June 20th, exactly when I received this video from a fan, from a subscriber. Thank you very much. But this is like South American coastline. They're getting these chemtrails to cool down the temperature, and he was saying that temperature went from 30 degrees to 10 degrees Celsius the same night, the same day, and so there was no storm. So I'm asking this subscriber of ours, if the storm hit him, and he's saying that it didn't, you know. So I'm just waiting for the headliners, for the articles to talk about it. I'm just trying to find where the storm is right now. It was back in Australia last week and headed towards the Americas, and lots of chemtrails back in South America and FEMA warning in New York. Well, let's stay tuned, guys, and thank you very much for watching. Share this video, it's very important, and see you next time.